Here we go. Here we go. Are you guys ready to see a new game? Let's see it here. It's Kiosk. We got 88% positive reviews out of 1,500 people. That is a pretty good number. I'm pretty sure it's literally just a horror game where you fucking chop veggies and cut buns and slap meat in between buns. And you give it to people. You give it to them so good and so spicy and juicy. You know what I'm saying? So that is the game. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die at the end of this stream. I'm convinced. I feel terrible. We get drunk. So what? We smoke weed. What the fuck? Okay, so by the looks, there's a leaderboard. Wait, this game's sweaty? What the hell? There's a relaxed mode, endless mode, and a story mode. I thought this was supposed to be a horror game. Is it not? Okay, well, maybe not. I can be playing this for no good reason. Here we go. No more time to waste. This is what we're working with, alright? This is my post. This is where I make my stand. Hello? Question mark?
Hey, kid. It's Michael, your boss. Just wanted to say good luck on your first date here. Last guy didn't last very long, but I hope you will. He's been acting a bit strange lately. Until he just slopped. No, he didn't just stop showing up to work. He stopped showing up to work. I didn't hear from him again. He even left some notes on the walls. Just ignore them. If you need help with any recipe, you can check it out in the cookbook, in our cookbook on the table. And if you need any ingredient, there is always more in the storage room. We close at 12. Don't forget to lock the door.
Like 12 a.m. or 12 p.m.? This kind of looks like it's a.m. Why the fuck? What kind of kiosk is open till this late? That's cool. What the fuck? Is that a customer already? Hello. Hey, didn't see you around here. I mean, didn't see you around here. You must be the new guy. I don't usually go alone at night like this, but I'm hungry. Can I get the hot dog, please? Yeah. Yeah, I could do that. One hot dog coming right up. Alright, they surely can't fuck this up. It's a hot dog, right? Alright, hot dog. Oh! Alright, here we go. I know how to cook. How do I open this? I mean, down. How do I open this? A good customer service never swears in front of the customer. Ah, perfect. There we go. That looks good. Just turn it on. Freezer. Freezer? What do you mean, freezer? So sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. I will be with you in just a... Oh, fucking... Jesus, I've got an arm on me. This is a very nice kitchen. I think he follows me home every night. I don't know what to do anymore. Shut up. Okay, this is fucking stupid. What am I supposed to do? Where is losing to a packet of hot dogs? Hey, I'm trying! Oh. What the fuck? Wait, that's how you open it? You didn't see it touch the floor. Alright, sweetie. One hot dog coming up. Oh, shit. Alright. Cooked sausage. Alright, and then throw it in. Throw it at it. Nope, of course it wouldn't be the same thing. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Oh, god fucking damn it. Oh, god. Oh. Oh. Ah! Here you go, lady. Thank you so much. It looks delicious. Here, keep the change. Thank you, love. There you go. Holy shit. That was actually very difficult. It didn't even heat up the bun? No, you're not supposed to heat up the bun. Hello, sir. Hey, man, give me a burger with cheese. You got it, boss. Let me just smack that shit there. Alright, I think we understand how the game works. We're already pros. Alright, you ready? Watch this. Bang. 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 Why did it... it's still cooking? With cheese? Cheese. Why do we have to ditch a knife at the fucking packets to open it? Hey. Got it. Perfect. Ah, perfect burger. There we go. Ah, yes. Burnt burger. You fucker. Are you serious? I didn't know I could fail. Oh, you're so lucky this game hates me. You're so lucky this game hates me. Oh, cheese. Cheese. There's no cheese and crackers in prison, Gromit. Alright, cooked. Fucking hell. Bam. You're a lifesaver. I already like you more than the other guy. What the fuck? Well, it's not hard, apparently. I left a little tip there for you. Thank you. Thank you very much. This is giving me anxiety. Schwandel, there's no scary people here. There's no scary people here, alright? There's no reason to have anxiety. Unless it's my cooking that you're talking about, which I hope it's not. Give me a burger and a hot dog. Both with only ketchup. Alright, I have places to be. Well, fuck you. Oh, yeah, that's my first day. I only know how to make wheat bix with milk. Alright? Oh, well, fuck with me, buddy. We grab one of these. Grab one of these. Oh, only one at a time, I guess. Uh-huh. Bam. Oh, use. Perfect. Yay. Oh my god. Oh, fuck, I threw it. Oh, yep. Yep, that's a good amount of ketchup. If I would use a little bit more. Thanks, man! You're the best! You're doing a great job! Wait! Who's that behind you? Ah, you cheeky dog! Fuck you! Oh my god. Oh. Hello? Hey. I hope no one comes up behind me when I turn the power on. Oh, it wasn't even scary. Come on.
This guy's talking some mad bullshit. Let's get a replay on his bitch ass.
Bullshit. What the fuck was that? Huh? That's a bullshit. Oh, hello, sir. I love the smell of rain. One hot dog with lettuce and ketchup. And a cold soda, please. Fuck, that's a lot to remember. Alright, well, first of all, I'll just grab one of these bad boys, throw it at you. And, guys, I just want to let you know that I might actually have the worst memory known to man. I will forget everything that these people order. Okay, so he said a hot dog with lettuce, right? That was it? Oh, for fuck's sake. It's already proving. Oh, it says right there. I don't even need to remember. Thank God. Holy shit. I would actually be screwed. It's written on the board. Thanks. Thanks. I appreciate the help. Thanks. Hey, can I ask you something? Sure. Aren't you scared working here alone? Didn't you hear what happened to the last guy? What happened to him? You don't know? No. He was my friend. Things were good. And then one day, he became paranoid. The last time I saw him, I could really see fear in his eyes. Anyways, gotta go. Gotta go, my little Joe. Thanks for the money, pussy bitch. You know what? Let's pre-make things. You know what? I'm gonna get. Ah, never mind. Hey, cool jacket. Hey there. I'm exhausted. I just finished a 12-hour shift at the factory. Ugh. And now I'm heading home to my wife and kids. I'll have 2 burgers and 2 hot dogs, please. Alright. Alright. Let me get that up for you. You know what? Let me do this the fastest way I humanly possibly can. Just for you, buddy. Right. Bang. 1. 2. 2. 1. 2. Bang. 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 Oh, hey, get the fuck off. Bang. What the fuck? There's a lot of colors and reading. I don't like this. Alright, let's go from top left to the right, to the bottom left, to the right. So we got cheese and mustard. You know, I don't think he said any of that, actually. I don't think he ordered any of that. What the? I forgot the lettuce! Oh my god. This is terrible. I'm never gonna finish this game. Why is cooking so hard? And why do I have a runny nose now? Oh, damn. Mustard. Oh, sounds like mac and cheese. Slam dunk. Alright, what's the next thing? We got cheese and ketchup. So we'll just fucking plonk that there. Plonk that. I don't think that works until the burger's actually on it. It's just kind of lame in my opinion. Ah, bang. Yeah, you like that shit? You like that shit? Ooh, yeah. Let's get some lettuce and mustard on this bitch. Take that. Yeah, you like that? Here, have another one. Ready? And...
Thank you so much. Looks delicious. I hope they like it.
They won't. They'll fucking hate it.
Dad, I said I wanted Mechas. Not bloody whatever the hell this thing is.
Kiosk food, mate. Take it or leave it or go to... Hey, do you like animals? I've always found them interesting. Are you a dog or a cat person? Cat. I don't have any pet yet, but I'd love to have a small dog. Anyway, give me 2 burgers and 2 beers. Alco! This guy loves drinking. So do I. Alright, 2 beers. 2 burgers. Alright, watch this shit. Wait. Oh, we're out of fucking... refrigerator. Oh. There's like no time to prep. God damn it, I'm freaking out. Oh fuck, where did it go? What the fuck are you doing down there? Alright. I need another lettuce. Bang. Alright, we need a mustard. Mustard and ketchup. Oh, double trouble. You know what I'm saying? Double trouble. Oh, swish. In your mouth. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Alright. Bun. Meat. Lettuce. Cheese. Lettuce. Eat. Thank you so much. See you around. No, you won't. Oh. Hey, and shift. First night done. This is like Five Nights at Freddy's, I bet. Coffee, what the fuck? Oh.
Hey kid, great job on your first day. People were asking for something hot on these cold nights, so I got a coffee machine. I've set it up for you, don't worry. Best of luck, kid.
You think there'd already be a coffee machine in a kiosk, right? Or am I tripping? Oh, hello, Mr. Businessman. Want to hear a joke about pizza? Never mind, it's too cheap. Get me a coffee and a hot dog with ketchup. I know how to do those. Whoopah! Bang! So, you got a wife and kids, huh? And a coffee, you said? No, let me just do that for you. And, kaboya-ka-chow! Oh. Oh shit, the hot dog. Bang. Oh, and ketchup. You want ketchup with that shit? Oh, bang. Pop. And, oh. 360! I'm like one of those fancy cocktail makers. 360 behind the back. Oh! Thanks. Here you go. Thanks, sir. You know what? Let's pre-make a coffee. You know what I'm saying? Surely they won't cool down in a game like this. Oh, hello. 1 burger, 1 hot dog, a soda, and a coffee. God damn! What the hell? You want a lot, don't you? Let me just fucking... Let me get that to you with haste. Alright, you want a coffee? Guess what? I've already pre-made one of those. 360. And, a soda? I'll get that from downtown. Wah! What? Oh, fuck, it's on the floor. You didn't see shit. Alright. Ketchup mustard. This game... this is like a speed run. What the fuck, you bitch? I mean... Oh, shit, sorry. Oh, lettuce. Oh. You might as well just fucking have a cup of water, seriously. I hate this lady. Oh my god, I can't wait to quit. What are you looking at? Damn. Damn. I'm so good at following instructions. Alright, there we go. And... What? Bang! The buns look a little dry and stale, but it's fine. There you go. Go away! She's got the same hair as Walter White. Oh my god, there's cups and shit here. How good. What the fuck? Someone else get this. I don't want, does someone else work here? I don't want to serve this guy. He won't stop looking at me. Alright, fine.
Hey there!
A long day, twisted balloons, and I'm hungry. Could I get a hot dog and a coffee, please? Yeah, you can get one. Stick it up your ass. What? Fucking, that guy's making me nervous, I ain't gonna lie. Cooked with mustard.
Thanks.
Thanks. Here you go. So, like, is this game, like, supposed to be scary? Like, what's the dealio? Oh, fuck. I spoke too soon, apparently. Ah, shit. I'm scared. Oh, fuck. Hello? Ah, there's nothing. It's just the wind. No, not to worry. Back to burgie making. Oh, hello, love. Wait, why'd you run up to us so quick? Hello? I'll have 2 burgers, 1 beer, and a coffee. Please hurry, I'm freezing. No one demands me what to do, but I'll do it anyway. And a beer. Here you go. 2 burgers. Oh, okay. Quite literally. 2 burgers. Got lettuce. Cheese. Lettuce, cheese. Cheese and mustard. Wow, this is actually kind of like a satisfying game, isn't it not? This is very nice. It's kind of relaxed. Thanks. The hot coffee will warm me up. Here you go. Get out! Stop talking to me before my girlfriend sees I'm talking to another girl. It'll be the end of both of us. Oh, hello, sir. My wife just left me. Sorry to hear that, mate. I need something to kill the pain. Give me 4 beers. Cold ones.
I know something that'll kill the pain.
Another beer. Yes, coming right up. 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 Oh, yes. Beers for you. Beers for days. Here, have some cold ones. This is pretty much all I got. Thanks. See you around. Thanks, mate. Appreciate you. Oh, that's the end of my shift. Another day done. Day 3. Quite the successful business we have going on here.
Hey there, kid. I found something really cool. Wooden bowls. And guess what? Salad is on the menu now. I'll talk to you later.
Shit, my boss hates me. Why are you making me work more? That's not what we want to do. Hey there, kid. We're investigating the disappearance of a guy who worked here. Did you meet him? Got any information about him? No, but would you like a hot dog? Not really. Okay. Keep an eye out on anything suspicious. Over. All this work is making me hungry. I'd like a burger, a salad, 2 coffees. Are you serious? We've only got 1 coffee machine, mate. You fucking piece of crap. Alright, bang. Cheese, ketchup. God damn it, why is it not... Alright. It's like crafting up a crafting table. Okay, and then we get a salad bowl. Lettuce. Oh, fuck. Lettuce. Tomato. Coming right up, sir. Here, let me just quickly... let me just quickly stick this up your ass. You think if you stuck one of these coffee thingy-majiggies up your ass, it'll double the effect of the coffee? Ah, yes. Tomato. Tomato! La 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 lava. Chicken. Here's a coffee lid. That smells amazing. Take care and remember to stay safe. Thank you, officer. I appreciate that. What the hell is this? Whoa. A radiating dog turd. What the fuck? 1 burger and cold beer. You will like this too? Oh, god damn it. Cold beer. 260. Bang. Do we got a burger patty somewhere around here? Oh, but they got onions too. Chicken burger. Up. Up. I need a burger bun. So, what do we all get up to today, huh? I worked. Very fun as always. Did we do anything crazy? Did we go out partying? Huh? Get in the oons. 360. Thanks. Here you go. Stay safe. Ah, yes, our next lucky customer. Hey there. I'm about to watch an animal documentary with a friend. We'll need some food. 2 salads and 2 sodas. Why don't you stick these sodas where the sun is shining? Right, so we need a lettuce and tomato. Alright, well that... Oh, fuck, I forgot you need to throw them there. Alright, bang! Fuck. Bang! Lettuce. Lava. Ch. Onion. Steve's liver chicken. Onion. Thanks a lot. See you around. Yeah, a lot of people will see me around apparently. Fucking, how about you just never come back? Let this business go bankrupt. Huh? That'd make good business. Fresh burgers and please don't come back. Give me a hot dog and a cold beer. Hey, it's you again. Last time you ran off and didn't pay. I won't serve you again unless you pay. Did you just refuse to serve your master? Okay. Guys, I may have missed someone's money. Thanks, man. You're the best. You're doing a great job. Wait. Who's that behind you? Ah, you cheeky dog. Fuck you. I don't remember this guy not paying. You made a huge mistake. You will pay for this. I swear to God, I don't actually remember anyone not paying. I would be such a bad owner. Alright, we got a coffee on standby. You know, let's make another one while we wait. Can't you see I'm busy? I'll have a beer, a hot dog, mustard, ketchup, and a salad, please. God damn it. I hope you like a warm beer because that's all we got. We got a salad bowl. We got lettuce. Oh, fuck. I keep forgetting you gotta place it on the chopping board. Whisper Mountain Outbreak? I've never even heard of that game. Well, I haven't heard of a lot of the games that Nugget plays. He advertised me every game under the sun. Here you go, sir! Thanks. Did you hear about the guy that died in the car crash yesterday? What? I heard his wife left him for another dude. He's found alcohol in his blood. Don't drink and drive, I guess. Take care. You guess? You don't! Drink driving's not fun. I mean, not safe. Which was the words? Oh, for fuck's sake. This goddamn power keeps going out. Can't catch a break. Oh, fuck! Oh, that was... Oh, it's trauma. Ah, we're getting trauma. We blame ourselves for that incident. Oh my god. So all the bad stuff happens to us, and then all the ghosts come back and haunt us. Oh, I see. 1 coffee, burger, and a salad, please. I have to study all night. Watch this, you guys. You ready? You want a coffee? Fuck. Apparently the coffees go bad. And you have them sitting around. That is so shit. I like making these salad bowls. They're very fun. Lettuce, onion, tomato. Onion, lettuce. I don't have tomato. There we go. Bang. Oh, the onion didn't go in. There you go. God damn it. Why is there no packets of buns? I gotta grab one individually and fucking keep missing the table like I always do. Oh my god, we have a piece of cheese here. Wow, how convenient. Oh, it was fast. Thank you. I mean, thank you so much. Are they true? What? Are you scared? What stories? Never mind. I have to go. It's getting late. Keep the change. Thanks, lady. I appreciate that. Well, it's the end of my shift. Alright, here we go. What's my boss got to say now?
What's up, kid? Picked up some farm eggs. We've got eggs and sausages now. Make sure you serve it on a plate. Good luck.
Sigh. Alright, what do you want?
I see you're still here. You must really like this job. I hope it pays well.
Nope. Can I get a soda? A burger? And a salad. Sure thing. Holy shit. I want some fucking buns with that shit, man. We need to do some like we need to do some preparation. How do I do this? Like if I wanted to prep. You didn't see anything. Oh fuck, no! No! Okay, just ignore the burger buns that are on the table. Fuck, this is taking me forever. I'm gonna get sacked. Right. Eat that. Is that everything? Have I missed something? God, I've missed something, haven't I? Lettuce! Lettuce! Holy shit, thank you. Thank you for reminding me, everyone. What I do? Thank you. I don't know if I'm paranoid or I watch too many horror movies, but I have a feeling like somebody is following me around here. A lot of creepy people around here. Be careful. You are cooked, lady. It is game over for you. It is game over for her. I don't know. Fucking there's shit everywhere. Okay, I have another good one for you. Oh, God. Alright, here we go. So much cross-contamination. 0 out of 5 stars on the Yelp. Fuck you. Why did the hot dog marry his wife? Why? Because she had great buns. Just give me a bit of eggs and the sausage and a burger. Get the fuck out of here. Oh my god. Alright. We're getting a burger. We're getting a burger rolling. We're gonna need more burger. We're gonna need more packets of burgers. Open on this table. Cheese. Mustard. And tomato. Eggs and sausage. Oh yeah, that's right. We dish shit on... Fuck. We dish shit on plates now. We got sausage. And... a silly little egg. Wait, how do we grab the egg though? Oh shit. Oh, we just pick it up. Okay. I don't know how eggs work. Oh, for fuck's sake, eat it! That would be fucked up if I did. Here. What the fuck? Eggs and sausages. Oh, I see. You want multiple. Not egg and sausage. Egg and sausages. You fucking bastard. Telling me all these bad jokes. Making me go back and forward just to wipe your ass. Fuck you. Here, here's your sausage. Bam. Here's your other one. Is that one? Is that one? There. Cheers. Fuck you. Go home. I don't want to see you again. Oh, I feel so bad. I feel... oh, I can feel my body collapsing. I just feel so sick. 3 hot dogs and a salad. Sick as in like, I'm catching a cold. Alright. I mean, I'm not sick. Let me make this salad with my bare hands for you. Let me make this shit real quick for you, buddy. Let me get some lettuce, some onion, and some tomato. There you go. We got 2 hot dogs. No Chick-fil-A sauce. Oh, what the hell? Oh, fuck, I missed. There you go, sir. Police found his body, by the way. Guy that worked here. My friend. Report says he was stabbed over 50 times. His body was in some bushes near the park, not far from here. He was left to rot in this rain. He didn't deserve what happened to him. No one does. Keep the change and stay safe. God damn! Holy fucking shit! Oh my god. God damn this fucking game. I feel like that wasn't loud enough for you. Oh fuck. I really like this job. I do. I make everyone laugh. But sometimes I forget what it feels like. Give me a burger, hot dog, salad, and a beer. Maybe that'll cheer me up. Lettuce. Get an onion. And throw some mustard. Bang. Thanks, here you go. Alright, you know, we're gonna need some tomatoes. Gonna need some onions. Prepared. Oh no, it's this nice lady again. I just want to let you know that I'm a food inspector. Last time I ordered food was for testing purposes. And I can say that you passed the test. So reported that there were rats all over the place. And the food is served from the floor. Oh shit. You can't see anything from behind, can you? But I don't see anything wrong with this place. Keep up the good work. Can I get a burger, eggs, and a sausage, please? Oh god. Is it still under there? Ah, shit. Thank god she can't see everything down there. Yeah, nothing's on the floor here. Let's grab a soda. Hang on. Eggs and sausages. Eggs and sausages. My brain just lagged. Holy shit, did you see that? Eggs. Sausages. And a burger. Oh shit. Shit. I've made this hard for myself. Bang. 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 Burger bun. Burger bun, come here. Bang. 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 Fuck! I was trying to be quick! Oh, I fucked it. Oh, that's embarrassing. Just being there. Love you. Here you go. Thanks. Like, I want to prepare for, like, orders, but... You know? Oh. Hello, lady. Let me draw on you. Oh. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Fix that up. There you go. Sub! Oh, fuck. Sub. Alright, let's go. Can I get eggs and sausages and a salad and 2 coffees? God damn it, lady. What do you think I am, made of supplies? I sure am. Let's fucking get this fucking order a go. Bang, look at the focus on me. Seriously, I'm like Gordon Ramsay in this goddamn kitchen. Lettuce, onion, tomato. Fuck. I don't know, coffee. Sorry. I can't even remember where I put these things. Thanks, here you go. I don't get much sleep these days. Maybe it's because of the murder in the park I heard about on the radio. Or maybe it's just the amount of coffee I've been drinking. End shift. Day 5. Holy shit, I swear we didn't even do a day 4. What is happening? Maybe we had a day off. Yes, coming!
Hi, kid. I'm glad we passed the food inspection. Make sure to wash your hands. Pancakes are being added to the menu. If you forgot how to make something, check the cookbook. Good luck, kid.
Yes, coming in a second. Pancakes. Whoa, that's kind of cool. Hey, that's kind of cool. I like that. I see you're serving pancakes now. I'd like to try them out. Give me pancakes, a burger, and a soda. Holy shit, I forgot to take the money. Oopsies. Alright, 1 soda coming up just for you.
For you, yeah.
Burger. Tomato. I'll grab that burger. Lettuce. Mustard. And pancakes. Yeah, I'll get you some pancakes, lady. Up. 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 Uh-oh. Fuck, I burnt one! Thanks a lot. Oh, this looks amazing. I bet it does. You know, you ever get that feeling like when you're sick that you just like pray to God that you just get better as fast as you can? Watch out! I just can't wait to feel good again. It's gonna take forever. And you won't even notice when it happens. Okay, this one's actually pretty good. Why did the tomato turn red? Because I saw salad dressing. It's okay, you don't get it. Give me a burger, pancakes, and a hot dog. Like I was saying, before that guy's just fucking shit joke came across. Ketchup, mustard. You are a fucking bitch and I hate you. What did I do wrong? Seriously. Ketchup, mustard, lettuce. Eat it. Eat it this time, you fucking bitch. Thanks, here you go. Thanks. Good night. I mean, good evening. Oh, Whatever the fuck you want to say. Hello. Did you know that crocodiles can't stick their tongues out? They also can't chew. So they eat rocks to help them digest. Is this the animal lover? Can I get eggs, sausages, pancakes, and a beer? Okay. I'll do that. I'll try not to cough on your food as well. I'm so under the weather, sir. I'm so sorry if I do, like, do a little cough ski on your food. Oh fuck, I'm panicking. Oh, you oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, let's not waste any time. Let's just cook.
Let's cook, Jesse.
Bang, 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 bang. Oh my lord. This game
Can go suck my sausages and eggs.
Alright. Here. Alright, salad. That's pretty easy. Just gotta chuck that over there. Chuck that in. Chuck that in. And a soda, was it? Oh, it was a beer. It was a goddamn beer. Of course it was. Thanks. That smells amazing. Here you go. Thanks for the money. Appreciate you. Oh. Hello? Hello? I can sense your fear. Who is this? Why are you calling?
Sleep with your eyes open.
Hello? I wish I could just work from home. Can I get 2 burgers and 2 beers? Yeah. That was such a weird phone call. Let's get some goddamn burgers cooking. Bang. Bang. Bam. Bam. Thanks. You can keep the change. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you. Lettuce. Oh no, it's the cop.
I didn't kill my wife.
I'm sure you've heard about the murder in the park. Have there been any incidences here since the last time I was around? Nothing out of the ordinary. Just a guy ran off without paying. He came back the next day. I told him I wouldn't serve him unless he paid. He got angry and left. He wore sunglasses and an old jacket. Alright, we'll look into it. But for now, I'll take 2 plates of eggs and sausages along with 2 coffees. Oh, I don't want to do this. Alright, let's make these fucking sausages and eggs as fast as we possibly can. Because... This cop is making me nervous. Alright, 1. 2. Oh my god! You see that bullshit, officer? I swear to god, these plates are fucking rigged, man. My owner is setting me up for failure. I mean, my boss. There you go. And a coffee. Fuck, I probably should have started making those before I did anything. What a waste of time. Here you go. Wow, this game is so peaceful. This is so relaxing. I probably shouldn't have... Wait a second.
Evil time.
Take care. Thank you, officer. Appreciate you. Appreciate all the hard work you put into this. Oh, for fuck's sake. GG. Holy fucking shit! That wasn't even scary.
This just in, we got some more bullshit news from this bullshitter.
Holy fucking shit!
Oh! Rat! Rat. Yum yum. Rat's bum. What you say? Oh. Be careful with that. Let me have pancakes, 2 hot dogs, and a coffee. I need that energy to keep my nose squeaking. I'm sure that clown is fine. I'm sure he's fucking not. Fine as hell. Oh! There. Here's your coffee. Mustard. Ketchup. What? Hey! A guy saw me down the street earlier and looked terrified. Nobody likes a clown at midnight, I guess. Here you go. Sometimes I forget the games I have. Don't we all? Especially when we have like about 500 games that we don't play. There we go! End shift. Would you look at that? Day 6. Also, I'm probably gonna upload this video to YouTube, so if you guys want to say hello, now say it. You might see yourselves in chat. In the chat in the bottom left. Oh, fuck, my boss is calling me.
Yo, kid. I heard the guy that took off without paying. That's coming out of your paycheck.
What? What?
Just kidding, it's all good.
Hey!
I picked up the fryer and freezer combo for a great price. We're serving fried foods from now on. Be careful not to burn yourself. Catch you, kid. Catch you later, kid.
Wait, is that boss the bad man? Hey, I was a stand-up comedian back in the day, you know. Making people laugh was something I did all the time. I guess I'm a little bit rusty now. Give me 2 hot dogs, onion rings, and some fries. Okay, sir. Fries, nuggets, and onion rings. I would love to. Here's some fries. Onion wings. And 2 hot dogs. Oh, and then we, fucking, I don't know what we do. Holy shit. What do I look like? Some sort of genius? Like, we grab a fry bag, right? And then we, oh, it's as easy as that. Okay. Dang. He's an absolute beast. He was an absolute beast. I still love him. There's a lot of things, a lot of quotes I probably can't say though, it's true. You can keep the change. I lost my voice halfway through. I can't remember all the voices I give these people. Hello? Oh, isn't this the guy that his buddy died? Can I have eggs and sausage, a salad, coffee, and a beer? God. Yeah, sure, buddy. I actually just made a coffee now. A little bit of lettuce, a little bit of onion, and then BAM! Alright, there you go. I miss my friend. He was a good guy. I wish I could assist the police with the investigation, but I have nothing. Here you go. What's the bet it's this guy? What's the bet it's this guy that fucking killed him? He's just trying to play it innocent. Look, it's a man wearing glasses. Aw, he's so happy. Alright. Hey man, can I get a hot dog, coffee, and some onion rings? We're meeting in 10 minutes. I have to make this quick. Nothing comes quick in this life, honestly. So you're gonna be expecting about a 15-second wait because I'm gonna get this shit done as fast as I possibly can. That was fast. Thank you so much. Yeah, take the change. I have to go. Shakes don't blink. Did you know that? Oh, fuck. Snakes don't blink. Snakes don't blink. Did you know that? I did, actually. They don't have eyelids. Can I get 2 hot dogs, onion rings? Yes. I would love to cook you up all this stuff. Seriously. It's what I do best. Alright, you want some mustard on that bitch? Here you go. Bam. One thing done. You got onion rings. Fries. Oh, fuck. I burnt them. Oh, my God. I absolutely fried them. Literally. Guys, I'm like struggling to get through this game. I'm gonna try to power through as much as I can, but oh god, the lights turned off. I hope nothing jump scares me. Whoa, you fucking bitch! Holy shit, man. These jump scares are so creative. I don't expect them at all. Oh, no, it's the food inspector. Hey there. I'm not doing any tests today. Don't worry. I just like the food. I'll have pancakes, a burger, some nuggets, a salad. It's a fucking big burger. Holy shit, lady. I mean, no offense. Seriously. I'd struggle to eat that though. That's insane. I'm a big man. Lettuce, ketchup, mustard, bang. That's just one thing. Holy shnikes. Bang, bang, bang. We got nuggets. Oh, it's one mad nugget. Oh my god. Salad bowl. We got lettuce, tomato, let's do nuggets, onion, lettuce, tomato, onion. Yeah. Thanks. Here you go. Thanks, lady. I appreciate you. Hold on, I'm making a YouTube logo. Yeah. There we go. You like it? You look paranoid. No, I don't. What are you talking about? I can see the fear on your face. You should quit this job. It's not worth it. Anyways, I'll take 2 packs of fries, nuggets, and a beer. Maybe we should get one too. Alright. Here's your nuggets, lady. Enjoy.
Thanks, stay safe.
Yeah, get out of here. Little rat. Oh, my shift's finished. Yay. Day 7. Is this the final day? It shouldn't be, right? I want this game to last forever. This game is too much fun. It's very satisfying. I just wish I wish I didn't have to go to the storeroom every time I run out of something. Maybe this is the struggle of being a chef in real life. I gotta go to the storeroom and grab something. Well then again, cutting things up doesn't happen in an instant like it does in this game. And cheese packet. There we go. We are so organized for today. And the description matches the guy you mentioned. He escaped from prison not too long ago. This man is extremely dangerous and could be armed. If you see him, contact the police right away. For now, I'll have 2 plates of pancakes and 2 coffees. Why does my boss not, let me pull a sick day, please. I'm so ill. Thank you. This is for you. Thank you. I must say, this game is kind of chill though. This game is very cool. I like it. Oh no, hey man. A lot of creepy people around here. I saw a clown the other day. He had a big smile on his face and completely froze. Can I have a salad? Nugget of fries. Soda. Tomato. Ah, shit. Oh, yeah. Alley-oop. Did you know that butterflies drink blood if there's an option? I always found them creepy. Here you go. What the fuck? What the fuck? Hello? Your end is near. Accept your fate. What the fuck? Stop calling me mom! Oh shit. Hello?
Hello there. Give me 2 sets of eggs.
Alright, I just hit the next level of sickness. This is, welcome to the Will Tim Die Before He Beats This Game challenge. I think I'm on track for the death speed run. I'm not feeling so hot after that stretch. But we must continue, alright? We're not quitters, are we? Fuck no! You catch me dead before I quit at something. I ain't no quitter. I'm no quitter. Say it with me. I'm no quitter. Repeat it. Fuck, I burnt the sausage. Fuck you. I'm no quitter. Sausage. Oh, you. Oh, it's ready. There you go. Eat it off the counter. I don't fucking care. In fact, I don't even know. Thanks a lot. Looks great. I avoid going near the park ever since the incident. His face is all over the news. I hope I don't see him on the way home. Here you go. Go away, lady. Drawing some flowers. There we go. Beautiful flowers. So pretty. Hello! Give me a burger, fries, and salad! Oh shit, that's right. That's where all that shit is. Fucking Jesus! What the fuck, man? I don't appreciate you fucking with me. You might end up with a fucking shit in your mailbox, alright? Oh, sorry, I didn't see that, love. I'm just rambling to myself. Thank you! Keep the change. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh no, it's a food critic. I like to order fries, nuggets, onion ring. Fucking, here's your fries and onion rings, you pussy. Let's get this shit underway, alright? Tomatoes. Onion. Good thing I'm not working tomorrow. It's actually very cash money. Keep the change. Thank you. You know what my father used to say to me? A wise man can play the part of a clown, but a clown can't play the part of a wise man. I miss him a lot. He was a smart man. Give me nuggets, fries, and nuggets. Fries. 2 beers. Alright, coming right up. Thanks, man. See you around. Appreciate you. Oh, alright. We're almost there, I think. I don't know how many days there are. Oh, fuck me, we're cooked. How's it gonna jump scare me now? Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck. Ah! Did I get him? Holy shit! Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. I thought this game goes on for a little bit longer, story mode wise. But, well done, Tim. Thanks, Big Red. I appreciate you. I didn't give Kiosk a proper outro, so this is my thoughts on the game right here, right now. This is like a month after this happened. Pretty good game. I think it's very chill. I was very happy with the story mode. I definitely was satisfied with the horror aspect. I definitely should have made it a little bit clearer. I was definitely enjoying myself throughout the game. I was just very unwell, so it made enjoying games at the time as a whole very hard. I do recommend it, so if you haven't fucking played it before, I recommend checking it out if you're on PC. So yeah, this video took me a lot longer to edit. To be honest, I put my heart and soul into this fucking video. Hold on, maybe I can show a little something here. Like, I've never put this much effort into a video. Like, look at this. This timeline is fucking nuts. I hope you enjoyed it. I pray that you enjoy it. I tried to make it as engaging, as entertaining as possible. So, if you could please like the video, please. I put so much time and effort into this. I don't want this video to flop. I want this video to fucking do great. I want it to do good. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure to subscribe. There's always going to be more in the future. So, hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see you in the future. Bye-bye.